Is it time to buy or sell Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 13th of May 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of March 2025, our system has categorized Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.46. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 2,373.85% since we first identified Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited as a buy candidate 42 days ago. This equates to an average return of 56.52% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 61.42% over the next 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 68.15% and positive 144.57%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 14.69%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 94.61% to positive 72.75% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $16.84 and $539.34. Our latest daily update for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock price on Tuesday, moving between 234 and 550. The Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock price experienced a decline of 33.58% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, dropping from 470.02 to 312.20. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 135.04% with a low of 234 and a high of 550. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and is up by 887.97% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume fell alongside the stock price on the last day, which is considered a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 11,000 shares, with a total of 123,000 shares being bought and sold for approximately $38.45 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $550, while the lowest was $3.03. Currently, the price stands at 43.24%, or $237.80, below the 52-week high of $550, which is also the all-time high for this stock. RGC Resources Inc., a natural gas utility based in Virginia, recently reported strong second-quarter earnings of approximately $7.68 million, translating to 74 cents per share. This represents a notable year-over-year increase from $6.44 million and 63 cents per share in the same quarter last year. The earnings growth was primarily driven by increased base rates and higher consumption volumes, despite challenges posed by elevated interest expenses and reduced earnings from affiliates. Additionally, RGC has declared a quarterly dividend of 20.275 cents per share, marking its 325th consecutive quarterly cash dividend. This reflects a consistent commitment to returning value to shareholders. Such positive news surrounding earnings and dividends tends to bolster investor confidence, which could have a favorable impact on the stock price in the short term. In the long run, RGC's expansion plans into Franklin County, along with its established dividend policy, may attract more income-focused investors seeking reliability in their portfolios. However, demographic challenges in its primary service areas remain a concern, and effectively addressing these will be crucial for sustained growth. The favorable earnings report, combined with ongoing dividend payments, positions RGC for potential stock price appreciation as it continues to navigate its market environment. Analysts have designated Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock with a general sell rating. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. The stock of Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On downward corrections, support is expected at $256.30 and $78.87. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, May 12, 2025, with a decline of 33.58% noted so far. The expectation is for further decline until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 74 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. Currently, there's no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is likely to exhibit substantial daily movement, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $316 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 135.04%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has reached 62.83%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging phases, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could point towards potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited is at $366.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 28th of February, 2018, when Philip F. Anschutz sold 12,440,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $294.84, reflecting a decline of 5.56%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we expect Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited to open higher by $53.20, starting at $365.40. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.